Mister.
So very cloudy. So hello guys, we are now at Hoya Hoy in Mindinao, just past Azama City. So join us here today as we are going to go up to the top and we're going to see the viewpoints all the way down the roads and everything. But unfortunately we have come here and it's very cloudy, so we might not see anything from the top. But as we make our way down, we will see all the views anyway. So please like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Hello guys, this is my beautiful Osama. We are here for a treat today. Okay? Bro?
Hi bro.
So we come here.
Wow.
So this is Mr. Wing Bean.
Hey guys.
We are here at Hoya Hoy. You have something to say to the camera? You have something to say?
Okay. So, guys, to all my viewers and subscribers, especially there in United Kingdom. So, I'm so very happy because my friend DaddyTravels finally he is now here in the Philippines, particularly here in Ascenso Global Garden in Tangub City. So, everyone, welcome to our vlog, and especially my bro DaddyTravels. Bro, welcome here in Global Ascenso Jamis.
Thank you, bro.
Jamis Occidental, Tangub City.
Yeah, salamat, bro. So please go subscribe to MWB TV family.
Yeah, guys.
Okay, he's got so much content on his channel, different content, and he's gonna have lots of content from our visitation here too. So we'll see you up there.
Hey guys, you may visit us also our Facebook page, DaddyTravels and MWB TV.
Okay, thank you. Look at that mountain line, guys. We could go up to the top. So yeah, guys, this is a really beautiful place. This is a tourist landmark around Mindinao. Very nice place. But we're waiting for the clouds to clear up a little bit so we can give you guys a better view of this. And if you ever want to come to Mindinao, please come and visit Hoya Hoy. You won't be disappointed. So look, I'll show you right now here. Turn the camera. It's kind of clearing up now. So yeah, we'll see you over there. My beautiful girlfriend.
Aww.
What? Like this?
No, here. Look at the view.
Wow. We're here. So hello guys, we are now halfway up the stairs. I'm really out of breath. But this place is just unbelievable. Look at this. Now we've got one more flight of stairs to go up before we get to the top. So yeah, look. So very beautiful. So yeah guys, please join us as we go to the top. Oh guys, there's so many steps, about 600 steps, 900 steps all the way up. Look at this. Wow, so many steps. Hello, Mama. Aww. So very tall. So guys, we're going to make it to the top. Everyone is out of breath. But we're going to make it. We're going to get there. There's something special at the top. Stay tuned. So guys, I have just engaged to my girlfriend, and she is now my fiance. And I took everyone, all the family, all the way up here just to be able to do this with the viewpoint. So yeah, I'm very happy. So look out on our Facebook page for the full clip of the engagement. Okay, thank you guys. We are now on our way back down. Crystal, you had a good time? Look at this view. All these stairs. Everyone climbed all these stairs for a very special moment. So please subscribe, like and comment, guys, what you think. And please head over to the Facebook page of MWB TV family and DaddyTravels to see the full clip of the engagement. So bro, what do you think?
Yeah, congratulations, bro, for your engagement with Ma'am Rani.
Thank you.
God bless you, your journey. I hope you will be prosperous and fruitful your journey.
Of course, bro.
As Ran and Ron.
I'll never give up on any of you, mate. You know, I'm here forever.
So congratulations, both of you, bro.
Thank you so much, bro. So
Thank you
guys,
so much.
yes, please head over to the Facebook page to see the full clip of this engagement. So yeah, see you soon, guys.
Yay.
So, Tangub City, the most beautiful tourist destination in Mindinao.
Wow.
Look at this skyline, guys. We're in the clouds, above the clouds. It's so very nice. And then we got a Senso garden. So yeah, if you need a taxi or rent a car, just say you're coming to a Senso Global Gardens. There's been a very eventful, nerve-wracking and heart-filled loving day. So thank you guys for joining us here today. Let's go home, have some dinner, celebrate, and yeah, I'm just going to show you over here quickly before we end the video, because the view is just insane. So yes, look guys, I'll turn the camera around and you can see for yourselves, and you'll be the judge whether you want to come here or not. We're trying to encourage tourists to come here and prove the point. Yeah, bro, yeah guys, but look at that skyline.
Wow.
Wow. So like I say guys, maybe if you come in the morning, unlike us, you might see the view better, and no, not many clouds, but just in front of us right there is the newly built bridge in Azama City, the Barangay Bridge, and they are yet to complete it, but last year they started and they've done pretty well so far. So guys, like I say, thank you for joining us here today, and please like, subscribe, comment and let us know what you think and if you would come here yourselves. So here's my bro, and he have a final message for you guys.
Hello guys, so it's me, Mr. Wing Bin Welorong, friend of DaddyTravels. So I am so very grateful and happy for this very special moment for the visitation, and it is our big collaboration, first collaboration here in Philippines, guys.
2026.
Particularly year 2026, particularly here in Senso Global Garden and Tangub City, Mindinao, Philippines. So guys, don't forget guys to support us, DaddyTravels and Mr. Wing Bin.
Thank you guys, see you soon. Look at this mountain line. That's where we've just been guys, right there. Up the top for our engagement. So thank you guys. And there is my beautiful Pinoy family and Crystal. Bye bye guys.